Welcome to another great video, and welcome to the Ops Dashboard, your central command center for monitoring, managing, and optimizing every part of your business operations in one unified view. This is the very first screen you see when you log into Ops, and it has been intentionally designed to give you immediate clarity, control, and confidence the moment you arrive. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, reports, and tabs, the dashboard brings everything that matters into a single, intelligent workspace, allowing you to understand the health of your business at a glance and take action without delay. Let's begin right at the top of the dashboard. Here, you'll notice the dynamic dashboard title, which automatically adapts based on your assigned role within the system. Whether you're logged in as a standard user, an admin, a super admin, or the business owner, the dashboard adjusts to reflect your responsibilities and access level. On the top right, you'll see your role badge clearly displayed, confirming what actions and data you're authorized to access. Right next to it is the real-time connection status indicator. When you see the green real-time connected badge, it means your dashboard is actively syncing with live data across the platform, updating instantly as changes occur, without requiring any manual refresh. If you're currently on a trial plan, you'll also notice a trial status banner in this top section. This banner clearly shows how many days you have remaining in your trial period, along with a quick and easy option to upgrade your plan when you're ready. Just beneath this, there's a feature testing guide banner that links you to a detailed 40-feature testing guide. This guide walks you through how to use, test, and ultimately monetize every major feature available inside Ops, making it especially valuable for agencies, consultants, and growing businesses. As we scroll down, we arrive at the stats grid, one of the most important sections of the dashboard. This grid displays your 4 most critical key performance indicators in real time. The first card shows your total revenue, calculated from invoices, active subscriptions, and closed deals. Alongside the total figure, you'll see a percentage comparison against the previous month, where green indicates growth and red highlights a decline. The second card shows the total number of active clients currently in your CRM, again with percentage tracking to help you measure momentum. The third card displays your conversion rate, calculated from the number of leads that successfully become paying customers. The fourth card shows the total number of users registered on the platform, including growth trends over time. These KPIs are not static. They update instantly as activity happens across the system. When a new deal closes, a subscription activates, or a user signs up, the numbers reflect those changes immediately, giving you a true real-time pulse on your business performance. Moving forward, the subscription status card provides a clear overview of your current plan. Here, you can see which subscription tier you're on, how many credits you have remaining, your next billing date, and quick access to upgrade options. This ensures you're always aware of your account limits and can scale proactively without interruptions. Next, the sales pipeline card gives you a visual snapshot of your entire sales funnel. You'll see each stage, such as lead, qualified, proposal, negotiation, and close one, displayed clearly with the number of deals in each stage, their total value, and progress bars that reflect movement through the pipeline. This makes it easy to identify bottlenecks, track deal velocity, and understand where attention is needed, all without leaving the dashboard. For users with admin or super admin access, additional visibility tools appear. The latest user's card shows recent signups, online and offline status indicators, user roles, and a live count of users currently active on the platform. Alongside this, the latest subscriptions card displays new subscription signups, plan types, billing status, and activity updates in real time, making revenue and growth monitoring significantly easier for leadership teams. As we continue down, we reach the cross-feature intelligence section, which serves as your AI-powered insights hub. This area aggregates data from across the platform, including CRM activity, integrations, feature usage, automation events, and system interactions. You'll see recent activities, active feature connections, and AI-generated insights designed to surface opportunities and risks you might otherwise miss. By clicking Generate Insights, you can receive intelligent recommendations based on sales trends, customer behavior, marketing performance, and operational data, each insight clearly labeled by type and severity. Just below this, the Activity Feed widget keeps you informed of everything happening across your account, From email campaigns being sent and leads being captured to websites being published, appointments scheduled, and deals closed, every action is logged with timestamps and status indicators. This ensures full transparency and helps teams stay aligned without needing constant updates. Now, let's move into the CEO dashboard, which is designed as a dedicated executive command center. While the main dashboard focuses on operational clarity, the CEO dashboard is built for leadership-level strategic insight. At the top, you'll see the executive badge, the last updated timestamp, and action buttons that allow you to refresh data, configure layout preferences, or add custom metrics. The key performance indicators here focus on monthly recurring revenue, overall growth rate, customer retention, and team size, and they can be manually adjusted to reflect accurate reporting. In the Overview tab, you'll find high-level financial and customer health scores. These scores are calculated using factors such as revenue growth, profitability, cash management, retention, net promoter score, and support quality. Each section includes concise executive summaries that clearly highlight strengths, risks, and priority focus areas. The Financial tab provides deeper insight into metrics like MRR, ARR, profit margins, burn rate, cash runway, customer acquisition costs, and lifetime value. This helps leadership understand both profitability and long-term sustainability. The Sales tab focuses on pipeline value, win rates, average deal size, sales cycle length, and growth trends, supporting accurate forecasting. The Customers tab tracks retention, churn, NPS, engagement metrics like DAU and MAU, and support efficiency. The Operations tab measures productivity through revenue per employee, turnover rates, OKR completion, and delivery efficiency. The Marketing tab tracks lead generation, conversion rates, cost per lead, campaign ROI, and lead quality. Finally, the Custom tab allows you to define unique KPIs specific to your business goals. Together, the LeanOps dashboard and CEO dashboard provide complete visibility, combining real-time operational awareness with high-level strategic intelligence, all within one powerful, unified platform designed to scale with your business.